Alright, what's up? This is the first lift of this new channel. It's about to be fire. Back in buys, and the snow has not accumulated outside yet. It is falling ever so slightly, but it is still adding up, as you can see on that. Wait, no, there's this covering. But it's falling, I promise. We're about to head back in buys in a flippin' blizzard because we're tough, and we're bringing our girlfriends with us because that's tough, and we're gonna ignore them the whole time and hit back in buys and mog everybody in this Planet Fitness at like 5 o'clock at night and maybe get stuck in snow. Who knows? Also, I want to take a moment to shout out this pre-workout. I found it on clearance at GNC, and this stuff is insane. I felt the first time I used it, I had a great pump. So we're gonna use it today again. Or do I give them an option between that or the Rise Kool-Aid? I don't have much left, but I'm gonna give them an option between that or that. But yeah, lift shouldn't take too incredibly long. I think we're just gonna mog people. But yeah, we started this channel with the purpose of just putting our stuff out there, trying to say good things about working out and whatnot. But whatever happens with this. It blows up. If it doesn't blow up, it's fine. I'm not too worried about it at the end of the day. So, but you know, this is just for fun, kind of a side hobby, but kind of hype a little bit. Shout out today's fragrance. I'm gonna plug my fragrance. Louis Vuitton Imagination. I had like 4 sprays of this thing left. I said, screw it. It's not enough to like go out, so I just put it on for the gym. So now I smell like LV Imagination, and that's like a $500 fragrance. And I'm wearing it to the gym just to sweat it all off. So I'm a very smart individual, as you can see. This is your creatine reminder. If you haven't took your creatine, take your creatine. You fat chud or skinny, boneless prick. And we will cut to the car. We'll see you at the gym or in the car, one of the two. We have made it. Doing hard cocaine in the Planet Fitness locker room. Wait, what do you... Oh, so we have a predicament that I have made. I have wasted an entire scoop. All right. So, shout out PF for only having toilet paper in their bathrooms. Just as you can see, really getting this pre-workout and water off of the seat right here.
You missed some.
Not bad. You just smear it around in there more. You know those ads where it's like, this is the average paper towel, and then it shows like whatever brand they have, and it's like Bounty.
Sheet is 2 times more absorbent, so you can use less.
Get the fuck out of here!
And it just like soaks up instantly. This is the average brand paper towel.
You're like, actually, no, just let someone scoop this up. Just keep Bro, I'm actually a short bitch.
Oh yeah. Casual little warm-up set. Always hit your warm-up sets. Hit your warm-up sets, kids.
Activate them, fighters. Yes.
Hit the strap with one plate.
Small ass boy.
Good one. Hold on. Sorry. Yeah. Literal second set of today. Yes. So currently there's this thing called a blizzard wiping through our area and killing a ton of civilians. My buddy's roommate's like, oh, come home. We need you to come home so you don't die. Bro doesn't know what it's like. Bro doesn't understand.
He doesn't understand.
He doesn't understand. What is it?
You'd rather die.
You would rather die. This is 3 plates right now. popping off, going crazy. You don't cut that. Round 3 minutes. Aww. 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 Are you sad? Transitioning into that lat pull down for 2 sets since we are short on time. Shout out to Blizzard tearing through Kentucky right now. This is tough. Back to Athen. Oh. If you pull us down, you're gay. 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 Oh, you pull us down, you're gay. Pull us down, you're gay. First half repping. Wow. First step out of that. Yes. How much were we doing today? Still 120. Wow. I'm going up to 140, me personally. How'd that feel?
Gotcha. Yeah.
That was not. I could have gone farther.
What do you have to say about that set?
Could have gone maybe for like 2 more reps if my form doesn't fall out.
Uh-huh.
That's all for next day. Yeah. Everybody must implement this in their next arm day. Take it all the way out and just like a mix of a bicep curl and a chest fly. Dude. Literally hits just straight outer head of your bicep and just builds that. If you have that long bicep, it really builds that really well. And the short bicep, it's all biceps. Look at him struggle. This turns me on.
You really do, bruh. You can do 35s.
I stare at my wiener.
Nice. WD print. WD print. WD print.
Like, look at that bicep right there. Just gonna zoom in on that. That's my man. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hold on.
So he's gonna be drop setting this. He's gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. No, that was so tough. That was so tough.
That low-key hurt.
Actually, hurt what?
Low-key hurt.
What did it hurt?
My biceps.
Hurt your biceps in a good way?
I like the hurt.
That's good.
I like the pain.
He likes the pain.
I like it. I really like it,
You
actually.
look like it.
I've liked it for 2 years now.
Ooh. Ooh. 2 years and still look like that? Ooh.
Hey,
Kidding.
hey, city boy.
City boy.
City
That's
boy.
why he's a goat. The goat.
Insert clip. Who's this city boy think he is? Listen, like, oh, hard house to be like, let's check out possible. And I think the bicep and 5 degree angle. Anyways, let's go. Uh-oh. Wait, that's all. Aww. Oh, dang. Holy Mog. Mog at me, bro.
Because this guy talking about
What
dream.
song am I even listening to right now?
Huh?
What lesbian song am I listening to right now? That would be
Well,
Luck Babe by Chappelle Rowan.
whoa.
Yeah, real lesbian song right there.
See the playlist.
This is the Taylor Swift mix that I've been on recently. And but this is my gym playlist. Gym bangers. Got some of the classics, some of the white girl music, some rap music. Then this is the one I've been listening to a bunch recently. Actually, wait. Look what's in the recommended that I haven't added yet.
Ooh.
That's gonna be next.
Now let's get this freaking set going.
Bro, my gosh, game changer. Literally just
They feel better?
Squeeze it for like 2 seconds at the top.
Uh-huh.
The burn like hits you like 5 times faster.
Or you could just hold it out.
I did that, like, do that too. But like, just like squeeze it, hold it, bring it down slowly. And dude, it feels really good. Lift it. Yes, lift it heavy. I do like 2 sets, stuff from here out. And then we're gonna move into something back. We're gonna start some shit next. Between pull-ups or lat lowers. Both of you lats and stuff. Look good. Yeah. Yes. Promise to. There you go. You're like Superman. David Lade looking all.
Is that tough?
Yes, it's tough. You're like a trend twin. You know, this is gonna be like relic gear for when we hop on.
Yeah.
We're gonna look at it, it's like, this is what they look like natural.
Exactly. Exactly like the Trent twins. So it will be the...
No, I'm gonna be like, you're gonna be like Lukey MC. You're gonna have a similar-ish build.
Hey, 3 inches taller than me.
Yeah, you're 3 inches taller than me. What are you, 5'2"?
Not gonna lie, if we die on the way back, then John was right.
John?
John was right and we were wrong.
Yo, shout out John, chat.
Shout out John.
Shout out John. We need to get him more in here.
He needs to lock in.
Yeah,
what he
we're gonna
needs.
make him our cameraman and make him do like, you know, at like the diamond gym where they like make the cameraman do reps. That's how we're gonna treat John.
Exactly.
We're gonna treat him like dirt.
He's on a weight loss journey.
Yes. We're not calling him fat. He's a beautiful man. There's so many beautiful qualities.
He's not fat. He has baby fat.
It's just baby fat.
It's baby fat. That's all it is.
You know, 300 pounds at 16, baby fat. 16 years old, just baby fat.
It was just baby fat, bro. Jeez, Rosie, this one's short. We gotta control that. We crashed him on purpose. Right into a fucking tree. Just for him. Oh my gosh. Look how big it is, guys. Such a good job.
Dude,
That was such a good job.
that was a rough set. Do your set. Yes. That's sweet. That one didn't slice actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna go find the same set at the double. Oh, there's none. How about that? How about that? How about that? Sweet. My camera was like quite filled with Swedish.
There we go. Yeah. Not gonna have these videos later. Now you're working so hard. You're just so tough. You're just a jolly guy, aren't you?
Sweet. Yo, this looks like nice crazy. I fear we're all gonna die today.
Huh?
I fear we're all gonna die in the blizzard.
And that's good.
Facts.
See that? That's good.
Is it?
It's good for you.
Facts. I'm gonna record you too long to the point where you feel uncomfortable.
I feel so comfortable.
Oh. I don't want those.
My fault. Bro, you said you have some sick music in the background too. Honestly, no need to edit this video. You don't need to edit this video, bro. Do you hear the sick music in the background?
Is this City Boy?
It is City Boy.
I will keep hurt my wax. I'm uncomfortable. Please stop. What this man is doing right here is what you should do at the end of every single pull or arm day. Rope, hammer curls. Literally goated. Look at his biceps. Because I told him to do rope hammer curls. Average rope hammer curls enthusiast. Who is bro posing for?
Oh, he's so tough. Oh.
Oh, look at my baby go. Doing his... And by the way, you drop set the last set always. Because drop setting is just effective as flip. And it's like... It burns. No, it burns. Have you ever seen somebody that doesn't support drop sets? That's no reason why to not use them. But you're gonna work out. Like you barely have any fatigue left.
Oh.
Well, you were not done drop set. You were not done. You were not done drop setting, buddy.
Drop set it again?
Yeah. We're doing 2 sets, bud.
Oh, fuck.
You're on a limited time.
Huh?
We are on limited time. There ain't no time to diddle daddle, dilly daddle, buddy. Bucko.
Let's
Wow.
get this shit. We're about to get kicked out because it's about to close. Oh, I think it's time to leave. I think it's time to leave, Alex. That was so tough. The lunk alarm went off. Do you think it went off because of me? Bro. It's closed? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's closed, bud. We gotta go.
That's a wrap. Yo, shout out John for the false weather statement. This isn't even bad. Ethan, what are we doing to John when you get back?
We're gonna fucking pull up this asshole.
Ah.